Hello and welcome to Helfand Farm Community Gardens. My name is Ben, and the question of the day is, do you know your state soil? Well, if you live in Massachusetts, then you're looking at it. That's right, all of our soil here at the community garden is the state soil of Massachusetts, which is Paxton fine sandy loam. And I'll give you a quick look at it. You can see how deep it is. It's well over a foot deep. For comparison, here's a pile of compost. Now, it's named after the town of Paxton, although it's found elsewhere in eastern Massachusetts. We're in the town of Dartmouth, for example. And all of the farmland that has Paxton fine sandy loam is USDA designated prime farmland. And I'll show you why right here. So you can see how happy the plants are. They're in this nice light garden soil. This is the native garden soil here, the Paxton soil I was describing. You can see how nice and light it is and well drained. But in the depressed pathway right next to it, just a few inches down, you can see all that moisture down there. Now, this greenhouse went up in December. It's April today. So keep in mind, it hasn't rained in here for months and months. All of that moisture is from down below. Now, I've been a gardener for 5 years now here at the community garden, and I'll generally use water at the beginning of the season to establish my plants, the first few days, maybe a week, especially if it's in the middle of summer. But after that, I never water my garden, and I have never lost a plant due to lack of water. Even in the middle of a drought, in the middle of summer, never had an issue. And that's because of what I'm showing you right here. There's always that moisture from down below. And that's a real benefit when you're at a community garden where you don't want to have to run off to water your plants every day. Now, we do have water for people who want to use it, and it's definitely helpful when you're establishing plants or you want to apply fertilizer and that sort of thing. But yeah, the state soil of Massachusetts, it's a big secret to our success here. If you're interested in joining us, we still do have garden plots available. I'll put our contact info in the notes below the video. And that's all I have for today. I hope everyone has a great day and a better tomorrow.